how to change header cover in Shopify Dawn Theme. So here I'm on the homepage of Shopify and this is what my header currently looks like. If we want to change this cover, we'll simply click on Online Store from the left hand side. This will automatically take us to the themes page. Scroll down until you see your current theme here, Dawn Theme, and just click on Edit Code, the three dots and Edit Code. Now here we will filter the items. We want to search for base.css and we will locate this section base.css under assets. Just click on it and here we want to scroll all the way down until the very last line here. Click on the very last line, press enter, and then paste this code, which I will have as a pinned comment. So it's going to look like this: header, wrapper, background cover, and you will need a 6-digit code. How can we get this code here for the cover? We will go to Google and we will simply search for HTML cover picker. Now you will be able to see a slider here. So for example, let's say I want to use this brownish cover here. What we need to do is copy this code here, 6 digits here. Just right click, copy, go back to our code, and we will replace these dashes with the number that we just picked. So right here, I'm going to paste this. Now, if I save this, I will just refresh my website in a second. As you can see, now it should work. Okay, it works. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.